Kingston Night Market. What's up, what's up, what's up? My name is Kaedi Philo. I'm from Bronx, New York. I have one song for you. It's an original. It's called Seasons Changing. If you like it, give it a little rrr, you know? Run it. Cause what? We're far from basic. This life been dangerous, but I know we can face it. So if your head is hanging low, just say you're still alive, my love. Don't throw all your cards on the table, yeah. It get worse before it gets better. We've been down in the gutter, the mountain tops, the next step. Seasons changing, and every day's another one. Ooh, things keep breaking, but no matter what, we're not give up. Ooh, seasons changing, and every day's another one. Ooh, things keep breaking, but every day we persevere. Ooh, now take a look at what's come around the corner. Broken dreams and built up trauma. Ground yourself and be resilient. Never let it lead to your detriment. I know you want things smooth. It's always bumpy at the crossroads. All those problems are solutions and work close. There's wisdom in what the old folks say. And where there's a will, we've got to find a way. So remember, you're still alive, my love. Don't throw all your cards on the table, yeah. It gets worse before it gets better. We've been down in the gutter, the mountain tops, the next step. Oh, seasons changing, and every day's another one. Ooh, things keep breaking, but no matter what, we're not give up. Ooh, seasons changing, and every day's another one. Good God Almighty, things keep breaking, but every day we persevere. Oh yeah. So now we're singing. Oh, 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 oh. If you feel like, let me hear you sing. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody keep on singing. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Ooh. Oh,
Yes.
thank you so much, Kingston Night Market.
Thank you so much, Kaedi Philo, for joining us straight out of Bronx, New York. Kaedi, talk to me for a little bit. Tell the people how we can find you on social media and for bookings.
Yes, on social media, you can find me at Kaedi Philo, KDPHILO, on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever. And then for bookings, you can hit these two people right here, actually.
Yes.
Bello, Uncle Bello, Richard Bell, and Fata Marshall. And
Yeah.
All right. Also, one more round of applause for Kaedi Philo.
Thank you so much, everybody. gentlemen, Andrene, don't leave so quickly. We need to find you on social media. We can't just shell down the place and just disappear. Didn't I tell you she's the size of her saxophone? Alright, so tell us where we can find you on social media.
So it's Andrene Music. I have a YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, Andrene's Music, and it's spelled Andrene Music.
Alright, just do one more. Jesus, check on. She's asking you to come a little closer. You feel too far. You're not feeling warm enough. So if you want that extra performance, just, yeah, she said she's cold. You want to take them?
Good evening, everyone. So good to see you this evening. So I'm asking you to just come a little closer, just to keep me warm. Yes, because I'm cold.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so come closer and give it up again for Andrene's Music. up again for the talented Andrene Brown.